Hello everyone. So for today's video, I would like to ask you guys what would be most helpful for you guys. What videos would you like to see? Things like that. One thing I am considering is doing a flowchart for HEDS diagnosis. All the other types require genetic testing, and there's not really as much of a flowchart other than if you should order testing or not. And even then, generally, you get the tentative diagnosis until then. So let me know on that, because it would be really helpful for me to know what you guys want. If I do the flowchart, I would also put it on our Redbubble site so that you could order copies of it to be able to share with doctors, different things like that, if you would like that. Obviously, you could get it otherwise too if you contact me, but that at least would be a way that you can have it available to share with people, things like that, a lot easier than having to contact me all the time for it. Plus, on top of that, you would be able to help with the creation of the app. So, let me know what you guys would like there. Another question I have is what types of things you would like to see on the Redbubble site. If there's anything specifically you would like to see me add that may not be there already, ideas of pictures, different things like that, and I will see about getting them created. On the note of Redbubble, I want to thank a person who recently purchased on that site. They ordered our chronic illness pain scale, and I want to thank them for that. As we've said before, the money from that site goes to help support creation of the app, and the more we can spread word about that, the more it will help bring in money for that. And other ways you can help is remembering to like all of the videos that I'm producing, comment on them. Every comment brings it up more in the things for YouTube and has it be shown more. And make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And ring the bell icon if you want to know specifically when the videos are released. I try to have them out at 9:45 Mountain Standard Time every day, or every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but that does not always happen. Obviously, today's video is one of those, and Monday I had it ready to go, but had forgot to hit submit. So if you could do those things, that would help. Also, you can find us on Twitter, on Tumblr, on Pinterest, on Instagram, and on Facebook. And liking those will also help raise awareness of it. So leave your comments below with suggestions and what you'd like to see. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.